Welcome back! From the 5-ingredient anti-inflammatory cookbook, Sunrise Hummus Avocado Toast. Hummus is the base, fresh avocado on top, a few extras that makes it actually interesting. Quick and clean. Let's start. Toast some bread. While we're waiting for the bread, let's cut the avocado. Nice and clean. Cut it. And then it should be easier to peel. So let's slice avocado. Now bread is ready. Pull it up. I will also need some small bowl here. At that point I would need some hummus. Maybe one more. Some grounded turmeric. It will bring this bright color to the hummus. Let's mix it perfectly. Let's add more. Nice. Okay, now we're ready to serve. I will take a new plate. We'll take one toast. Spread the hummus evenly. Let's add some more. And another one. Okay. Now we take our sliced avocado. It's better to have it more nice, but it is what it is. Avocado overall gives this creamy flavor and obviously add a little bit fat here. And I believe that's it. It's enough. Also, it's always nice idea to have some black pepper. And a pinch of salt, obviously. I also have some pumpkin seeds. This will be a great addition. And that's it. This is how it looks like. And that's it. This is how it looks like. And let's take a bite. Oh, I like this. I like this. No, even it's like hard to describe the overall taste because it's very simple. It's just bread, hummus, and avocado. But overall, in combined, it tastes very good and it's very quick. Literally 5 minutes recipe, and you can try it at home. And the whole recipe you can see in the book. Thank you, and see you in the next video.